Gutter overflow messing up your landscaping beds? You gotta get those downspout extensions sorted, like yesterday. So, here's the thing. When your gutters overflow, water just dumps right next to your plants and soil, which is a total nightmare for your landscaping beds. To stop that, first grab some downspout extensions. They basically stretch out from your gutter and push water way farther from your house. Make sure the extensions slope downward so water doesn't just pool up near the foundation. If you've got a big yard, you can even add splash blocks at the end of the extensions to spread the water more evenly. Regularly check your gutters for leaves and debris because clogged gutters make overflow way worse. Also, clean those gutters at least twice a year, especially in fall and spring when leaves drop like crazy. If you're up for it, installing a rain barrel at the end of your downspout extension can be a cool way to collect water for your plants. And don't forget to secure those extensions properly so they don't wiggle loose during storms or heavy wind. One of the biggest mistakes with gutter overflow damaging landscaping beds is not using any downspout extensions at all. This just dumps all that water right where you don't want it. Fix this by attaching the right length extension to redirect water far from your beds. Another problem is having clogged gutters full of leaves and gunk, which causes water to spill over the sides instead of flowing out neatly. Keep those gutters clean to avoid this issue. Lastly, people often install extensions without a proper downward slope, so the water pools near plants and foundation anyway. Just double check that angle when setting them up to make sure water flows away smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about gutter and landscaping fixes. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid spot to get noticed by people who need your skills right in their neighborhood.